Did you know that leafcutter ants are incredible farmers? These tiny creatures found in the rainforests of Central and South America cut and carry large pieces of leaves back to their colonies. But here's the fascinating part: they don't eat the leaves themselves. Instead, they use them as food for a special fungus that they cultivate in their nests. The ants carefully tend to this fungus, which eventually becomes their main source of nutrition. It's an intricate and symbiotic relationship that showcases the ingenuity of nature's farmers.